Callie, and I'm back with another layout. And today I'm going to scrapbook this darling photo of my great nephew with his hat on backwards, and he really does wear it like that. I don't know where they learned to do that so little, because he's just turned 2 the month before here when I visited them. So I'm going to mount the photo on that neon green paper there, and that is Simple Stories Summer Bucket List, and it's the sun-kissed paper. And then my background will be the glasses paper, which is Simple Stories Summer Days, the Gotta Wear Shades paper. And then I'm using that striped paper from Simple Stories Summer Vibes, and that's the Oh Hello paper. And then I'm thinking I might use this cut apart from the Summer Vibes cut apart sheet, but just trying to figure out how to use it. And then I have this little scrap of coral paper from the Summer Vibes collection, and I'm thinking might want to do something with that. Maybe use a larger piece for a cut apart there. I'm not finding what I want. It's just not looking right to me yet. And then as I was going through things, I found this green chevron paper, and that is from Photoplay Summer Bucket List, and it's the bucket list paper. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to cut off the bottom there, and I'm going to use that for mounting my photograph and then that piece. Thinking about that cut apart camera. There's lots of different things I could use here. And then I decide maybe I don't want that ViewMaster cut apart. I do use it. You're not going to see this because I did a layout after this and forgot to turn the camera on, but I did actually cut that ViewMaster out and used it. So then I found this other cut apart that I'm going to try, and it is from the Summer Vibes 12 by 12 project pad. And I really like the way that looks with the blue. I think it brings in the blue of the stripe and then all the blues in the background. And then he's wearing blue. So I think it just calls that attention to him even more. Then I used another cut apart sheet, this time a 3x4 one again. And that is also the Summer Vibes. And that's just a cute little geotag with the sun because, summer was really the end of summer here. It was Labor Day weekend, but still summer. All right. So now I'm feeling a lot more confident that I've got an arrangement I like. And instead of just mounting the matted photo like square on that green chevron paper, I'm going to drop it down a little bit on the bottom. And I've been doing that a little bit more lately. I don't know why, but all of a sudden I like that. So then I'm using this summer sticker, and that sticker is from the Photoplay Summer Bucket List Element sticker sheet. And I did this this layout for a challenge on the My Little Scrapbook Store Facebook group, and the whole thing was to scrap a summer photo, use summer product, and use summer in the title. So I satisfied all three with this. Right now I am using some chipboard there, and I have the swimming trunks and the SPF there, and then also those sunglasses. And that's all chipboard from Simple Stories Summer Days, the chipboard stickers. And then I have those sunglasses, which are yellow, which you'll see in just a second. Those are old too. Those came from the October Afternoon Daily Flash Summertime Double Take stickers. So you can't get these anymore because October Afternoon's not producing product anymore, but if you're looking for like ideas about where you might find stuff, if you happen to have that in your stash. But any sunglasses would do if you're going to try to replicate this a little bit. And he's not wearing sunglasses, but it's summer. And with kids, there's sunscreen there with kids. That's so important, especially he's really fair. Blonde-haired, light-eyed, light-skinned. All right. So I'm liking the arrangement of that. I know I wanted to make the title Summer Stylin, so I have to figure out how I'm going to get the word Stylin under summer, and with what alpha am I going to do that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for an alpha. And I found this glitter alpha that I really like because it's a little scripty too, well, it's not scripty, but it's got a little flair to it. It's not completely straight because the summer is very scripty. So that alpha is from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby. Doesn't have a name. They don't have names there. I'm just going to move this over a little bit. I generally do not like my titles hanging out in the air. I feel like they're going to fall off. But for this one, I guess I was okay with it. So I moved it over just a little bit to get the Y was not sitting right for me. You could, it just was sitting funny on the edge of that Polaroid there. And you could use that Polaroid to journal on, but I didn't really journal anything for this. It's just a great picture of him. And then a date, so that years from now, we can tell exactly when that was, right? Because I have so many pictures from college and post-college and long before I started scrapbooking, because I didn't start scrapbooking until my 40s, actually. Well, I did some in my late 30s, but I have lots of years that I can't even tell you what the year is for those things. So then I just took an asterisk and put it in each of the clusters just to bring that bright glitter color into the layout itself as well. Otherwise, it would have really stuck out. And then I wanted to take up a little bit more room here, so I added that pinwheel sticker and the summer sticker are both from the PhotoPlace Summer Bucket List Element sticker sheet. So that's where that came in, just getting some more of that color distributed around. Now, I have these enamel dots from Doodlebug's The Sprinkles Fall Assortment, and they're fall, but they also have some really great summer colors in them. So I'm just going to spread these around. And I really like how those look. All right, there you go, guys. There is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.